Alright guys, so today we're going to look at the corner rollers, ideal for rolling corners for internal all square set. So a great tip with these is keep it in a bucket of water, or some guys say as well, keep it in your compound. You want to keep it wet at all times. The idea is that you take first, then you roll, and then you flush or glaze depending on where you are. The idea with this is that you don't want to make it too thick and dry before you start doing all this stuff. You want to make sure it's nice and wet. So another great tip, start in the middle. So say if this was a corner, you start here, you go up, and then you go down. If you start at the top or at the bottom and work up, you run the risk of dragging it, tearing it. You got to pull it out and start it again. Another hot tip, stick in the middle and go gently to the top and gently to the bottom, and then go hard. That way you make sure that you take out any air pockets and you run the risk of not ripping the tape. So if you have any questions, feel free to call us or send us an email, but all of our tools are available online or in store. Thank you very much.